from 5th standard L section. Here are the best reasons to plant and care for trees or defend a tree standing. Excess carbon dioxide caused by many factors is a building up in our atmosphere and contributing to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, removing and storing the carbon while releasing the oxygen back into the air. In 1 year, an acre of mature trees can provide enough oxygen for 18 people. Trees absorb odors and pollutant gases and filter particulates out of the air by trapping them on their leaves and bark. Average temperature in Los Angeles have risen 6 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 50 years as tree coverage has declined and the number of heating absorbing roads and buildings has increased. Trees cool the city by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by shading our homes and streets, breaking up the urban heat islands and releasing water vapor into the air through their leaves. 3 trees placed strategically around a single family home can cut summer air conditioning needs by up to 50%. By reducing the energy demand for cooling our houses, we reduce carbon dioxide and other pollution emissions from power plants. Shade from trees slows water evaporation from thirsty lawns. Most newly planted trees need only 15 gallons of water a week. As trees transpire, they increase atmospheric moisture. Trees reduce runoff by breaking rainfall, thus allowing the water to flow down the trunk and into the earth below the tree. This prevents stormwater from carrying pollutants to the oceans. Skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in the United States. Trees reduce ultraviolet B exposure by about 50%, thus providing protection to children on school campuses and playgrounds where children spend hours outdoors. Studies show that the more trees and landscaping a business district has, the more business will flow in. A tree-lined street will also slow traffic enough to allow the drivers to look at the storefronts instead of whizzing by. Small business opportunities in green waste management and landscaping arise when cities value mulching and its water saving qualities. Vocational training for youth interested in green jobs is also a great way to develop economic opportunities from trees. Whether as houses for children or creative and spiritual inspiration for adults, trees have provided the space for human retreat throughout the ages. Trees can mask concrete walls or parking lots and unsightly views. They muffle sound from nearby streets and freeways and create an eye-soothing canopy of green. In suburban and rural areas, trees can be selectively harvested for fuel and craft wood. Thank you.